Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download install Zoho CRM tracking on US websites step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Zoho CRM account ready. Log into your Zoho CRM account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. In the settings menu, look for the Marketplace option. Click on Marketplace to view available plugins and extensions. In the Marketplace, search for Zoho CRM Tracking. Select the Zoho CRM Tracking option from the search results. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize any necessary permissions. Once installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, navigate to your website where you want to install the tracking code. Go to the website builder or content management system you are using. Find the section where you can add custom scripts or tracking codes. Copy the tracking code provided in the Zoho CRM tracking setup. Paste the tracking code into the header or footer section of your website. Save your changes in the website editor. To verify functionality, visit your website and perform an interaction. Return to Zoho CRM to check if the data is being tracked accurately. Make adjustments if you encounter any issues with tracking. Once everything is set up correctly, you can utilize the tracking data in Zoho CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.